down on the floor just to revel on your own. On a bed to bed to bed to trip. On a bed to bed to bed to.
What's up, guys? So I really can't understand why, but on eBay and Amazon nobody sells carbon fiber kits for 2005 2009 Mustang other than these. And you know, these are nice carbon fiber kits, but they're not the 5D or the 6D or the 7D. If you don't know what they are, I'm about to show you. So what I did, the kit came on this piece, so I'm now putting all the original carbon fiber pieces that I bought from eBay onto the back here. And what we got on the front? We got the 5D carbon fiber. So now all I need to do is simply cut out with the scissors, just cut out the lines, and then I will have my 5D carbon fiber, which is a whole lot nicer. I mean, I don't know if you can see from the camera angle now, but it's just so much nicer than these. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright. So first of all, I'm just going to cut this up here. So you're going to want to do it as perfect as you can. So we didn't go over completely, which we can fine tune that. I'd rather have a little bit extra than not enough. Remember, the better scissors you have obviously will work the best, so the sharpest you have. So we cut a little bit into it, that's not too big of a deal. Alright, so now we can go over and fine tune it then. Fine cut it, I should say. For this 5D and others like it, it's not that crazy expensive. Hopefully I'll have a link in the description where you guys can get this. I think the kit, the original fiber, carbon fiber kit was like 40 or 50 bucks on eBay that I'm using to outline. So you know, the initial purchase, and maybe by the time I do this, someone will make the 5D. I mean, here you can see the difference. So see if you guys can see how shiny it is versus that. So we got it cut out. Go over here and trim it up. Alright, so now for the center. There's a couple ways you can do this. I'm going to start with using a razor blade and just making a slit in the center, like so. So we just made a slit. Now I'm going to take my scissors in here and cut up to the circle like this. And now I'm going to go around and cut it. I mean, it could be just as easy to use a razor, but I'm not sure that's going to work out as good. So we just pull it along as we go in a nice circle, or as good as a circle as we can go. And of course, save your pieces. You never know for what little things you'll use it with. Carbon fiber. Alright. So, got a little white. If you really want to pick, you can trim it up and get that white out. I recommend using something that you can just snip it off. But there we go. Now you might be thinking, okay, so now what do you do? It's not sticky. Well, that's why you do it on the other side. So all I gotta do is peel this 5D off the top and we're good to go. So that is the one piece right there. Now of course we got these other pieces that I've done. I messed up putting this one down so it overlapped. So the size is going to be a little off. That's not too big of a deal. At least not to me, because I'm going to cut out a little wider to make up for that rookie mistake. So I'm just going to put this down so I can do this better. Now I just got to line it up. You want to go slow. I'm kind of rushing here, which I shouldn't be doing. But it's best definitely to go slow so you can get everything even. After doing a bunch of these, oh, I'm my camera. Doing a bunch of these, I got used to cutting. And I'll save all those extra pieces. If I need to cut when I install it, then I can. So we stayed out just a little bit because it's folded there, so if you take that fold away, it would be a little extra longer. So now I could try doing the razor blade going around, but honestly I don't trust it. So we're just going to make nice slits. Just like that. Alright, there we go. We've got the one hole cut out. Now let's finish the other one. Looks like this piece right in here. Smooth that out a little bit. Alright, so that is our second piece, I guess. I wrapped this in the same carbon fiber as well. I still need to trim the edges and stuff, but it turned out pretty good. So this is our last piece that I did. We still have 1, 2, 3 other pieces, but I'm gonna run out of carbon fiber, so I gotta order more. I used a lot in the beginning because I was messing around with this stuff. And just to let you guys know, you guys can do this for anything. You want carbon fiber on the back of your cell phone case? It's very simple. There we go. We are done. Now we got the 5D on the back. Now time to order some of the other ones. So take care guys. See you for the next video.
This is really hard. now do that reject, do that reject, do that reject, take your knees to the ground, take it down, dig it down, dig it down, dig it down, dig it down, put your knees to the ground, take it down, dig it down,
Oh, come on!